Employees at UC San Diego Medical Center say they're worried for their safety. Registered nurse Shannon Cotton says hospitals like hers are limiting the use of protective masks known as N95s to certain situations, but she's pushing for all employees to have access.
Because that is what we need to keep ourselves protected so we can continue caring for our patients.
A UCSD spokeswoman says they are not short on N95s now, but that could happen if medical staff are unnecessarily using them. The debate is playing out across the country and here in the state. Workplace safety regulators say N95s are necessary to protect workers from contagious diseases. But as shortages grow, the CDC says loose surgical masks are an acceptable alternative. The disagreement surged online when UCSD Medical Center physicians created a petition for the federal government to release its stockpile of equipment. More than 1 million people signed within just days. But here in San Diego, Public Health Officer Dr. Wilma Wooten says the county's supply of N95s is okay.
So I can tell you 100% assurance that for N95 masks, there is no supply issue there.
She says what they're struggling with here is gowns, gloves, and goggles. Even so, the county's Medical Operations Center head, Rob Sills, says the county is meeting supply requests from local facilities.
I don't think a day's gone by since the last week of November that I have not spoken to an emergency manager from one of our healthcare systems, and they are getting what they need.
But at Family Health Centers of San Diego, CEO Fran Butler-Cohen says that's not the case. The system that caters to low and uninsured patients is struggling to find everything it needs.
We need to be able to have that ability to see patients in the community and not send them to emergency rooms.
Late last week, Family Health Center employees received thousands of N95 masks for healthcare workers from the county. But they say they still have more needs. And they're not alone. Some facilities are turning to the public for donations, and the community is coming through. But more supplies help because no one knows how long the pandemic will last. Taryn Mento, KPBS News.